This is the Akrapovic titanium slip-on exhaust for the 2022 Yamaha MT10. Designed with a striking resemblance to the Akrapovic exhaust for the R1 Superbike, the new version of the fully homologated road legal slip-on is made from lightweight titanium, so that's every part of the exhaust, the end cap, the sleeve and the inlet. And it also features a forged carbon fibre heat shield, which is Akrapovic's first use of forged carbon fibre on any of their exhaust products. So rather than having the usual twill type weave, you have this forged look. It's fully plug and play, so no remappings needed. It's 54mm inlet, which is the same as the outlet on the standard cat box. And it can also take an optional baffle for when, not if, you decat the bike. It doesn't need the baffle to be road legal, but if you decat it, you can put a baffle into this muffler to take the noise down a little bit. Let me know what you think. Do you like the new carbon fibre heat shield? Do you not like it? And as always, if you like this kind of content, please give the video a like, give the channel a subscribe, as that really helps what I do.